Today I'm going to go through a little mini guide to different file types and how to use them. The first one is an Adobe Illustrator format. That's a vector and it is a design file essentially and is opened in Adobe Illustrator itself. EPS is very similar to an AI. It's a vector file, but it can be opened in different software. PDF is one that you're most likely familiar with. It can be used on most PDF readers and it's very good for print and it displays imagery quite well. JPEG, another one that you're likely familiar with, which is essentially used for images. Some printers may use high resolution JPEGs for print, but usually they're for digital use and they have a solid white background. PNG can have transparent backgrounds, which makes them really good for web graphics. They tend to be sharper for web graphics than JPEGs do. They also make excellent watermarks because they have no background. They can lose resolution when they're enlarged, and they do tend to have quite a high file size. PSD is Photoshop documents, which are raster files, and they're used in Adobe Photoshop. They're really useful for when combining photographs and graphics.